In this video, I will show you how to fix slow internet speed in Windows 11. So guys, to resolve this problem, you can try some method. One of them, click on Start, Settings. Now here, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. Now run Troubleshooter on internet connections and follow the suggestions which you see in this display. Close it and you can try second method. Click on Start, type here CMD, run as administrator, type here ipconfig space slash flush DNS, then press enter. Net sh winsock reset, this second command line, and press enter. Now close it and restart. Third method you can try. Click on Start, Settings, Network and Internet, Advanced Network Settings, Network Reset, then Reset Network. This will remove, then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. So just reset, and after reset, guys, you have to restart your system. So this is the basic and simple method, guys. You can fix and resolve slow internet speed in Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and please comment this method work for you or not.